The year was 1906. Dawn was breaking over San Francisco. The bustling city, a beacon of the American West, was about to face an unprecedented challenge. At 5:12 a.m., a massive earthquake, estimated at a magnitude of 7.9, struck the city. Buildings swayed and crumbled, streets buckled and cracked. The earth itself seemed to roar in fury. The quake's epicenter was just off the coast, near the Golden Gate. Its tremors were felt as far away as Los Angeles and Nevada. But the worst damage was concentrated in San Francisco. Fires erupted almost immediately, fueled by broken gas lines and overturned stoves. The city's water mains were severed, rendering firefighters helpless. For 3 days and nights, the fires raged, consuming everything in their path. Over 80% of the city was destroyed. Homes were lost. Businesses were reduced to ashes. Landmarks like the Palace Hotel and City Hall lay in ruins. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake was one of the most significant natural disasters in American history. It left an indelible mark on the city's landscape and forever changed the lives of its residents. But from the ashes of destruction, a remarkable story of resilience, community, and hope emerged. In the aftermath of the earthquake, stories of loss and survival emerged from the wreckage. One such story is that of the Wong family, Chinese immigrants who ran a small grocery store in Chinatown. Their building collapsed, trapping them beneath the debris. For days they huddled together, sharing what little food and water they had left. A young boy named Li, the eldest of the Wong children, refused to give up hope. He squeezed through a narrow opening in the rubble and alerted rescuers to their plight. The Wong family was saved, a testament to the strength and determination of the human spirit. Then there was Anna Amelia Holzhauser, a young woman who had just given birth to her first child days before the earthquake. When the tremors struck, she fled her home with her newborn baby in her arms. They found refuge in a nearby park where they lived in a makeshift tent for weeks. Despite the hardships she faced, Anna never lost sight of the precious life she held in her arms. Her story, and countless others like it, serve as a reminder of the human capacity for resilience and the enduring power of hope in the face of adversity. In the wake of the disaster, the people of San Francisco came together with extraordinary compassion and resilience. Strangers helped strangers. Neighbors shared food, water, and shelter. The spirit of community transcended the lines of social class, race, and ethnicity. One remarkable example of this unity was the emergence of refugee camps. These camps, set up in parks and open spaces throughout the city, provided shelter, food, and medical attention to thousands of displaced residents. The camps were run by volunteers, many of whom had lost everything themselves. Amidst the devastation, stories of human kindness and compassion shone through. Doctors and nurses worked tirelessly in makeshift hospitals, tending to the injured. Teachers set up temporary schools and tents, determined to bring a sense of normalcy back to the lives of the children. Rising from the ashes, rebuilding the city by the bay. The rebuilding of San Francisco was a monumental task. The city lay in ruins, its infrastructure shattered. But the people of San Francisco were determined to rebuild their city, stronger and more resilient than ever before. One of the first priorities was to extinguish the remaining fires and clear the debris. Thousands of volunteers, alongside soldiers and laborers, worked tirelessly to remove the rubble and begin the process of reconstruction. Architects and engineers from across the country came to San Francisco, eager to contribute their skills and expertise. New building codes were implemented, designed to withstand future earthquakes. Wider streets were built to prevent the rapid spread of fires. The city's infrastructure, including its water and sewer systems, was modernized and strengthened. The Phoenix Spirit: San Francisco's legacy of resilience. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake was a defining moment in the city's history. It tested the limits of human endurance and resilience. But from the ashes of destruction, San Francisco emerged stronger, more unified, and more determined than ever before. The city's recovery was nothing short of remarkable. Within a decade, San Francisco had rebuilt itself, showcasing its indomitable spirit to the world. New buildings, designed in the architectural styles of the day, rose from the ashes. The city's iconic cable cars, a symbol of San Francisco's unique character, were back on track, climbing its famous hills. The 1906 earthquake also had a profound impact on the field of seismology. Scientists and engineers studied the earthquake's causes and effects, leading to significant advancements in earthquake-resistant building design and disaster preparedness. Remembering the past, inspiring the future. Today, San Francisco stands as a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity. The city's resilience in the face of the 1906 earthquake continues to inspire people around the world. Memorials and museums dedicated to the earthquake serve as poignant reminders of the past. The stories of the people who lived through the earthquake, both the victims and the heroes, are passed down through generations, ensuring that their experiences are never forgotten. The 1906 earthquake is not just a historical event, it is an integral part of San Francisco's identity. The city's ability to rebuild, to innovate, and to emerge stronger from the ashes is a testament to the enduring human spirit. A testament to the human spirit. The story of the 1906 San Francisco earthquake is a story of loss, resilience, and the extraordinary power of the human spirit. It is a story that reminds us that even in the face of unimaginable destruction, hope can emerge from the ashes. The people of San Francisco faced the disaster with courage, compassion, and an unwavering determination to rebuild their lives and their city. Their story is a testament to the strength that lies within each of us, the strength to overcome adversity, to support one another, and to build a better future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of resilience and hope.